Ekskuus met Expresso hier op SABC3. Dis donderdagoggend. Kan jy dit glo, die naweek is nou amper hier, nee?
Yeah.
Now, you know the centennial is a milestone achievement. It's a celebration of our proud history and heritage of our country, reflecting traditions, values and principles that earned it an indelible place in the heart, soul and psyche of the people. A wonderful event, I think, and also a time where many have struggled.
Yeah, and of course we're talking about the centenary celebrations of the African National Congress that took place on the 8th of January, that was this past Sunday, in Mangaung in Bloemfontein, which was an awesome, it was an awesome occurrence, you know, celebrating the history of our country. And of course, later on that day, there was this huge concert that was held there that saw some of South Africa's most prolific artists performing there. Zahara was there. You can actually see her on your screen right now. She sang this song. Do you remember this song? Like taking it way back
Like
to the
way
days.
back, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
my granddad used to tell me of the days of Kofifi. They would call it Kofifi. And they had this dance where they'd pull their pants up and then they like do this little, this knee jiggle, if you will, right?
It's almost like swing in the
Must I show you?
township.
It's, yeah,
Yes,
it's exactly
show us.
like
Show us, I reckon.
Utla makhoa are,
my goodness.
and then they like get in the shoulders and then they're like My grandfather actually showed
I can't
me
wait
that.
to be able to do that. I reckon once everything's fine with my leg, you're going to show me how to jam like that. But I think it's a beautiful time when everyone has come together, you know, from celebrities, you know, from everybody around the country, knowing that this is such an important time to remember and to reflect back on, you know, what our country went through and what certain people actually went through to give us the freedom that we have today.
And that's exactly what I mean. Now that you talk about reflecting back, that's what the whole basis of the concert was, where a grandmother was relating to her grandchildren exactly what the country has been through and what the struggle has been about to get us to where we are as a people, as a nation. And like it really fostered a feeling of pride, man. It was so cool. And Vusi Mahlasela was also there, who popularized the song that Zahara also sang, which is this one right here, which is Weeping. One of the most legendary songs. I think everyone in the country knows that song, right?
Beautiful.
And it was an awesome concert. Yesterday we spoke to AKA, who was also one of the artists performing there. And that guy is, he's got so much passion when he performs, right?
He does, yeah. And
And
I think Judith Sapuma as well. We had a chat with her a few days ago, and she was also a part of it as well. And I mean, she to me, I mean, she's just one of those women. She's elegant, she's classic, and she also, you know, just sort of took the tradition and the history. And she's going to be on the show in 2 weeks' time, so looking very forward to that as well. She's just one of those people I admire and respect. I have so much respect for. She's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, which is pretty cool. So I think, just in closing, I think we have to say that it's something to be celebrated. We as a country have come a long way. Unity is the way to go forward. Spread the love. Yeah.
Or one love, as you like to say.
One love.
One love.
Yeah, yeah. Where are we going to now?
Well, right now we're going to find out a bit more about the wonderful comedian that we have on set today, Barry Hilton. You know, he's the gentleman with that funny monkey. I love that ad. You know the funny monkey? Yeah.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
Let's take a look.
Stay with Expresso and SABC3.